Next is factual and inferential observation. If factual information is collected through observation, it is factual observation. For example, identification of peak period. Then, if inferential observation is observed, done to draw inference or conclusion, it is inferential observation technique. So, in factual, the factual informations are collected, whereas in inference, we are making a conclusive observation. In direct and indirect observation. In direct observation, the observer is physically present. He may be doing the observation using his naked eyes. In the case of indirect observation, there is no need of the physical presence of the researcher or investigator. He can do this observation using the mechanical devices like CCTV and other cameras. Then next is participant and non-participant observation. When the observer participate with the activities to be observed, it is called participant observation. For example, I am watching the employees work in an organization. I have to make observation on that. If I am also engaged in that job, it is participant observation. Once again, if I am doing the work and also observing the work of others to make an investigation, it is participant observation. Whereas the researcher is not participating in that work or activities but is keeping aside and watching what others are doing, it is non-participant observation technique. Next one is structured and unstructured observation. In structured observations, conditions are standardized and not flexible. We are not able to make any changes in it. In unstructured observations, it is flexible and not standardized. We can make changes whenever required. Saying about controlled observation and non-controlled observation, controlled observations are done as per pre-arranged plans, or as we said earlier, it is in a standardized form. It is not flexible. While saying about non-controlled observation, there is no pre-arranged plan and no formal mechanical tools are used. And next we are moving to the components of observation, or otherwise called as the process of observation. There are mainly three steps in an observation technique. First one, sensation, then attention, and then perception. First of all, sensation. It is done while we are making observation, may be done by using our sense organs or cameras. The next one is the attention, that is understanding the concept or the observation thing or phenomena. The next one is the perception, that is getting an inference about that. So in the sensation step, it is gained through sense organs and depends upon the physical attentiveness and keenness of observer. That is, the physical and mental presence of the observer is more important here. The personality of the observer is more responsible for accurate observation also. The next one is the attention. It depends on the ability of the observer to concentrate on concerned studies. Even though he is attending there, he may not be completely attending everything. So the concentration is largely a matter of willpower, which depends on adequate training and experience also. So this step is also very important. The next one is perception. It helps the mind to recognize the fact by grouping and identifying the sensation. In simply, we can say it is getting a sensory report or conclusion about the technique. So that's all. Thank you.